Sent. Jeg elsker deg selv om du er sent på meg.
Yeah.
I gotta say that 3 times fast. Jeg elsker deg selv om du er sint på meg.
Jeg elsker deg også. Selv om jeg er sint på deg.
Selv om jeg er sint på deg.
Sorry, I am a little mad at you.
Kan du si en norsk?
På
På norsk?
Ja. Unnskyld hvis jeg er litt sint på deg.
Doesn't sound the same. Say it in English.
Anyway. I just got disappointed.
She's always angry at me.
It's not true.
It's because I'm so good at sleeping all
But I will
day.
never hide it if I am.
Always good at sleeping.
He sleeps all the time.
She's mad because I'm so good at sleeping and she's not. But I've been doing it for less time than she has. So I get it. I'd be pissed off too if I couldn't do something better than the person that hasn't been doing it as long as me. She's
I'm
mad
just
at
gonna
me
stay
now
mad
again.
Well, I'm not always mad, but the thing that will get me is when naps are more prioritized over spending time together, especially with Cody's work coming up. Living on a boat, though, makes it hard to stay mad as there is not that many places to go, and right now, the dinghy isn't in the water for one of us to run away either. Lucky we have an agreement to never go to bed angry, and usually end up being okay in the morning.
I'm gonna say we have a tendency to overdo things. Here.
Varsågod.
Good morning.
I like how we have endless amounts of water, but we still
Pretend that we don't. Yeah.
It's just fun to pretend that we're not wasting water.
Well, it's that time of year again. With a few boat projects on our hands and Christmas right around the corner, it's time to start making some money. And here we are again, back to working oil-filled hours. Most days are spent like this now. I leave at sunrise to work at a boat mechanic's place here at the resort, where I get to do some hands-on training, building skills and assets that I can take with us on our journey down south. Today we are going to cut out some new gaskets for our windlass cupboard. Should be pretty simple. And then a gasket for another type of windlass cover that is on the electrical side of the motor. Good luck.
So I'm headed to, there's like a oyster thing in the marina today. So I'm gonna bring out my valuables, Wi-Fi box and phone. Ooh, maybe my passport. And go down to Shannon, get a glass of wine, and then go listen to some live music. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. Cody has went out to work. I have put on some real clothes for once, fixed my face and all that stuff. And yeah, we'll see. Maybe we'll have some fun today. Actually, the weather looks pretty good. I'm wondering how warm it is. Not really sure, but there is a lot of people around. Doing all the activities.
It's kind of weird how they made it. So he hand makes these things?
I think so. And like you can make him to order too. Cool?
Because it has a guitar pick in it. But I can't get it. Oh, Therese, by the way, calls these cozies.
That's a way nicer word. Then what do you call it?
They're koozies. That's the name of it, not cozies. Look, it just makes your beer so cozy.
They're cozies. Everybody knows it. Didn't get cozy with me? I hate it when you do that.
No. Attacking.
Well, good morning from God today. Like last night, it's starting to get really cold. And with really cold, I'm in like 45 during the night, which is like 10 degrees Celsius, I guess. And it's so freaking cold. Cody left this morning to go to work because slack tide was at 6, which means people wants to leave or 7. So people want to leave around slack tide in this marina because it's so much current. So we actually left at 4:30, couldn't sleep. I don't know how because it was so nice and cozy and warm underneath the blankets. Literally just got up, tried to find something really warm and comfy to wear. And yeah, some Norwegian, but it doesn't help in this. When you're used to, like 3 days ago, it was 95 degrees and I was sweating trying to sit here and work. Which kind of reminds me of Norway, like, you know, up and down. You never know. But anyway, I don't have any work today. It's Sunday. I'm gonna try to do dishes for the last 3 days. Seriously, living in a marina, it's like, I don't know. I just give it all away. Clean up a little bit when I woke up, but hopefully, because it started really early, he'll come home. Cody will come home at a decent hour today, and we can actually spend some time together. Well, so I just went provisioning. Not for anything, just for us, really. We caught an Uber to Whole Foods, which is more expensive than I usually do. Ended up a bit more than I planned, but got everything that I needed and trying to put everything away, and this is my job for a reason. Like, Cody cannot figure out how everything should be, so therefore this is my job. So just put everything away, put these roses back. Actually, these white ones still look pretty good, but I'm gonna still at least put these guys in a vase here, and then cook myself some food because I'm starving.
so hard to go in a grocery store trying not to spend too much money and also find the cheapest stuff because you're in an expensive store that also has the best food, but at the same time, like, you know how it goes. How's your oranges?
How's the hair?
Alright, so I've done laundry, filled water in the boat, and I have cleaned the boat. So now I finally got myself to a gym. And I'm all alone right now. So yeah.
Yeah. Go at him.
What you doing?
I haven't eaten all day. And I'm on job number 2. I already ate that one. This is my new plate. Runs out of meatballs. This one never runs out of meatballs. Where are all these meatballs? One meatball?
You eating all the meatballs?
2 meatballs. There's some noodles. I gotta go back to work.
Gonna raise
Yeah,
up
yeah,
the
let's
tall
get
glass
that.
tonight as we
Yours.
look back. Back on all the life that we lived
Oh, that was
through.
wrong. No.
Things that we drank to.
Jag ska dig sällan
Roads that we
göra
chose,
på mig.
friends that we make, turns that we miss, and hearts that
Ja,
we
riktigt
break.
synt.
Words that we say, ones that we don't,
You have extra.
lies that we cross, and the ones that we break.
Get out of my...
Tears that we
See?
cried,
Karma.
the
It's right
dreams
there.
that we
Immediately.
dreamed, stars that burned out, and the stars that we reached.
So, what are you doing then?
The stories we tell, the moments
I need to dry it
before
all.
our souls. Gonna raise up a tall glass tonight as we look back on all the life that we lived through.
How do you feel right now?
I didn't do it.
How do you feel right now?
I didn't do it.
What did you do?
I didn't do it. Somebody thought that they could put flowers on our boat. Little did they know, I don't like flowers. So I kicked those sons of bitches off the table.
And onto what?
That's not important.
And onto what?
The couch.
You're on thin ice. And onto
The couch.
the computer.
Well, the computer was on the couch, but it really got on the couch.
And now the computer is over here. Hopefully not damaged. And drying on towels. My money maker.
And look at my
Can't
sweatpants.
afford a new one.
My sweatpants got ruined.
Also,
Look how wet they
I
are.
don't care about your sweatpants.
And my socks.
I don't care about those. Put them away. Like, you better hope that that thing's okay.
All I'm trying to say is I miss you.